Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the Futures Week in Review, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with the crowded shorts. There were two crowded shorts that both ended up in losses. One was wheat, loss of 525, and corn, loss of 150. The shorts, on the other hand, did very well. These are the massively crowded long ones, or commercials above their 6-month average. First one was Mexico. What I do is I wait for the actual overall future to go red weak before I go along with its overall crowding. And at this point, what I have, if it's in the green and strong, I have low risk entry trades, or what they call Z3 shorts, as I had one last week for a nice $187 gain. Right, so once it gets into the red, I start to go ahead and do the short as the crowding continues, and it looks like the crowding is still crowded long regardless of the price going down like it did. So overall gain on one contract, 943. Next one was nothing for cocoa, no COT index, and I only do the COT indices along with the overall trades. As you can see here, I did amazing during this week as far as overall shorts for oil, and then there was just one trade this week for a $180 gain. Now cotton's in the red, and it has been ever since went ahead and found this overall process and step as far as Z3. First overall fade was off the Z3, was profitable, and then once it turned red, became just a wonderful overall trade to the downside. And as you can see, it's still crowded long, and we got overall $880 still off cotton with this overall crowding. Mid cap 400 did not hit any of the Z3 entries here, but started its overall downward process. Overall gain including with the FTM, $4,500 gain. Not too bad. Next one was coffee. Now this one was a tricky one because pretty much all of these were Z3 shorts for the week, and because price was actually below Z3 and I had a green strong background, went ahead with the Z3s. So it was 4 out of 3 were profitable, and nice overall gain of $5,077, with the last one being the biggest one. This was profitable, this one was profitable, this one was profitable, this was a loss, and this was profitable. So these Z3 trades do work really well in terms of probabilities. Again, it has a less than 3% chance of actually going above that, especially when it has a COT index and it is massively crowded long. So I like the probabilities here, and I'm going to continue this overall step in the process. Now NASDAQ, overall major gainers. The FTM on Monday and Thursday, overall gain 7,945 on one contract. Not too shabby. Orange juice was another gainer. Had a loss initially on Wednesday and then a nice overall gain on Friday, $210. Unleaded gas, nice overall short. Last week hit the Z3 excursion here, and nice little profit here on the Z3 trade, or Z3 short. Once it went in this week, had a nice little profit of $77 in one contract. Energy, overall loss of 880, the only loss out of the shorts, and then the Dow. Now once it is this overall crowding and we got red week, this is where it started. Here, the overall COT index started as short, but once it got into the red, then that's when I'm going to go ahead and trade this. We had a $685 profit utilizing the FTM. 12 total fades, 9 were profitable, win rate of 75%, 19K for the overall week. So this process I'm sticking with in utilizing the COT index for day trading, and it's effective so far. So we'll see if it is effective this upcoming week. Again, I only focus on massively or strong selling positioning with crowded longs and strong buying position with crowded shorts. And until I have the conditions fitting the process, I'm not going to trade it. Too many times, like with cocoa, you can see it just continues to rocket up and it doesn't stop. And there's no COT index to go to the other direction, even though it's been massively crowded long for a long period of time now. So we got to wait. We got to wait until the conditions are set. So looking at next week for my Sunday Monday fades, I've got Canadian dollar, euro, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, hard red wheat, sugar, healthcare, all focused on the COD index long. For the shorts, I got mid cap 400, S&P 500, copper, coffee, Nikkei, USD, silver, and consumer staples short. So I'm applying the same rules as far as the Z3 shorts if it's strong and green, if it's for long, or Z3 longs if it's red. And then once the background changes to either strong or weak, I go either long or short in those cases with those particular futures that are crowded in my favor. Case in point for copper, still going up. However, we do have a COD index in support with crowded short, so I'm putting the Z3 short up here for potential entry. Same with coffee. I'll put the entry up here in case it shoots back up. NASDAQ has overall entry possibly depending on the open for Sunday. Platinum does too, is now keyed to go with a red background for Sunday. Silver, Z3 short up here, green background, and S&P also as well, potential short for Sunday, depending on the open. Looking at the long, this could be a Z3 long for a Canadian dollar. Same with Swiss franc, it could be a Z3 long down here. I'll wait for price to come to me. Corn looks like a good buy for Sunday, Monday. And that's it for the Futures Week in Review. If you're interested in these kind of strategies going forward, or programming in PineScript or Python, auto trading, and joining a community through Crowded Market Report to understand the Commitment of Traders table and data, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.